Hello everyone, welcome to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to fix DaVinci Resolve unsupported GPU error. Now, usually this comes, when your GPU isn't supported. Obviously, it's very self-explanatory, but there are some ways that you can fix DaVinci Resolve unsupported GPU error. So let's get started with some ways. So the first way is GPU meeting Resolve's requirements. Make sure that you know that if your GPU is meeting DaVinci Resolve requirements. If it's not, then you will need to check the VRAM or the amount of VRAM. You can check that by Windows key plus R and then type dxdiag right here and then click OK. You will need to wait a few seconds for it to load. Then you can check the different display tabs and also render if you have it. In all of these tabs, you will need to find the display memory RAM and then the amount of your VRAM written in megabytes. Now, as you can see right here, there are GPU requirements for running the DaVinci Resolve. These are basically the requirements. So make sure you have those requirements ready in order to actually go and use DaVinci Resolve without actually getting the unsupported error, which is right here. So yeah, as you can see, if we scroll down, this is basically how it will look like. VRAM, you will see your VRAM right here. Obviously, that's one thing. Now, the second thing you can check is you can check OpenCL 1.2 or CUDA 11 compatibility. Now, obviously, simply ensure that your GPU is included in the 1.2 support or above. If not, your GPU is too old for the current version of DaVinci Resolve, as you can see. So you can check the older versions for the lower minimum requirements. Now, you can check if this supports OpenCL 1.2. You can try to downgrade DaVinci Resolve. You can try to update DaVinci Resolve, and you can see if that is, you can test it out. So basically, as you can see how this can work to change GPU settings in Resolve, you can go to DaVinci Resolve in the top left corner, go to the preferences, memory and GPU, or you can press the keyboard shortcuts Control plus or Command plus, and then you can try unchecking the auto boxes right here, as you can see. So you have here, and as you can see here, you will be able to select OpenCL or CUDA. Try one of those and you will see if this will help you out. Second thing you can do is downgrade your drivers. You can go to Device Manager on your Windows PC, and from there you can go to Properties, right-click Properties on your NVIDIA or on your AMD, GeForce, right, or GPU, and then you can just go Driver and then see the driver version. Again, you can also go to the NVIDIA or AMD drivers download online on Google, and you can see if they have like downgraded drivers that you can download, right? So those are a couple of things you can do. Obviously, usually this is all about the GPU, so you will need to install the GPU in order and maybe downgrade even in order for you to basically fix this, right? So yeah, usually this is a GPU error. Either downgrade the GPU, update DaVinci Resolve, and that will pretty much be able to help you a lot when it comes to fixing DaVinci Resolve unsupported GPU error. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully, you find it useful, and hopefully it helps you out. And we'll see you in the next video.